One of the biggest questions I've been getting from a lot of people is, how should I be marketing my business, or should I be marketing my business during this whole COVID-19 shutdown? The long and short answer is, if you can afford it, because believe it or not, right now, most people, unless you're a restaurant that offers takeout or so forth, you can't really operate your business right now. But if you can afford it, this is a really good time to be doing brand awareness. A couple reasons for that. Number one, ads are very cheap right now. We're seeing from the campaigns that we still have running, we're seeing anywhere from 30 to 40% cheaper for the exact same marketing campaigns that we ran before all of this started happening. So you should be doing some brand awareness out there to let potential customers know about you. And the other important reason for doing that in terms of doing brand awareness right now is that if you're using a platform like Facebook or Instagram, people are home, they're bored, and they're on these sites pretty much all day. It's a really good idea to get your brand out there, start making sure that you do some brand awareness, doing some traffic back to your website, and hopefully you have tracking set up on there, having the Facebook pixel on your website in order to be able to retarget to those people later on. Because as you know, retargeting is probably the best way to maximize on your ad spend, is retargeting customers who already know about your brand. And the other advantage of that is you're able to get those cheap clicks right now, because once this COVID-19 thing rolls out and we're back to business as usual, guess what's happening in the fall of this year? It's going to be elections. Politicians are going to be spending a lot of money, which is going to drive the cost of advertising up dramatically, like we've seen every time in the past when there's been an election. So I recommend, if you can afford doing some advertising right now, you can turn down your budget a little bit, but definitely you should be investing into brand awareness to make sure that you have a retargeting pixel set to the maximum amount of time. Facebook is 180 days. Other platforms go up to 365 days. So you should have that set up. The second thing you want to do is you want to set up or promote your online store. So if you have an online store, you should be promoting it right now. If you don't have one, this is probably the best time to get one set up. The other thing that I recommend doing is organizing a delivery. So if you are a restaurant or you offer any kind of service that can be delivered, now's a really good time to partner with one of those delivery type companies in order to simply go ahead and start offering delivery to your customers. The next thing is you want to be helpful. People are out there, maybe you offer a restaurant. A really cool thing that you could be doing is offering video tutorials. So if you offer a restaurant, you have your favorite meal that your customers are waiting for, they're dying for it, do a video, a how-to video of how you making it, what ingredients you use, how do you make it that special touch, because you know what? You will be able to carry them over right now, but once you open up back your business, they're going to be craving the way that you make it. So along with the idea of videos, you can also do a workshop. I'm doing a lot of how-to videos right now, teaching people, how to set up Facebook pixel, how to get your business set up on Google, how to get yourself optimized, just things to help people because they're home, they need things getting done. And you know what? 90 to 95% of people are going to take what I say and execute it, but there's going to be a small percentage of people that are going to say, you know what? It's just not for me. Chances are I'm building up credibility because they see that, I know how to do it. So if they need somebody to do it for them because they're just not interested in doing that, or it's not part of their strengths, they'll probably look to hiring me or my agency to help them with that. The other thing is offer gift cards. Gift cards are a great way to get some cash flow happening in your business right now that customers can get and can use at a later date. So if you do offer a business like you have a massage parlor or something where you can offer a gift card at a discounted rate, very attractive offer right now, you can offer a gift card to customers so you get some cash flow happening and then they can use that at a later date. And the next thing is special offerings. I know a lot of people say they don't like to offer special offers. They don't want to offer discounts because that negatively impacts their business. Well, you know what? During a pandemic, this is a really good time, to shut that concern down, because what you're doing is you're helping people, right? We're all in this together. We're all, trying to be smart with our dollars. And if you can offer a special discount to customers, through this whole COVID-19 pandemic shutdown, it's a really good idea to do that. Now, I will caution you one thing. Facebook and a lot of the online platforms, they're trying to minimize people taking advantage of the whole COVID-19 corona pandemic and fear that it's instilling in a lot of people. So if you're going to run an ad, do not use those words. There's a high chance that, your ad will probably get discounted, will get rejected, and there's a high possibility that you will get your ads account shut down as well, which is not a good thing. So I recommend not using COVID-19 or Corona in your ad copy. You can, could talk about relief, or you can talk about specials, or, we're all in this together. You can use other terms, but just stay away from using those those banned words. And then the last thing is offer consulting or coaching sessions. That's another thing that I've been taking advantage of. I'm a consultant. I run a digital marketing agency called Java Logics. I've been spending a lot of time doing consulting with people. Some of it is just, pro bono to help them out. They might have a business that's brick and mortar. They have no idea how to get set up online. So, I'm just offering value out there, giving them some tips and directions on what they should be doing. I'm offering a lot of coaching sessions to people who, I've maybe done work for in the past and they're looking to do a refresh of the website or do something to bring it up to date. I can offer some coaching as well to them. I recommend you doing the same thing. So there's a lot of things you can be doing during this, what's considered to be downtime, rather than sit home worried, think about all the bad things that can happen. You got to go in this with an attitude that, we will get past this. If you start getting prepared from now, you're going to be ready ahead of the competition when things pick back up. You're going to be hitting the ground running because you're going to be in momentum already. You're not going to be like everybody else who's now getting out of it and thinking, oh my gosh, I got to get back to work and get going. Your brain's still thinking. You don't need to do it every day and all day, but you should be spending some time thinking about growing your business. If this was helpful and if this shared some value to you, I would recommend that you please give me a like. Hit the subscribe if you're on YouTube, because I'm going to be putting out more and more of these videos on a weekly basis. My team is asking me to practice what I preach. I always talk about putting content out. So they put me to a challenge to be delivering content on a weekly basis to build a following and give back to the community. So if you want to be part of that, you want to learn about the lessons that I'm teaching, feel free to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell to get notified when I publish these new videos. Take care. All the best. I'll see you on the inside.